Quick in here.
No change to call a cab, love.
So, what do you think?
I know it's hard. You're good to go. We're all here for you.
Don't you get it? I don't want a life without Ulrich. There's a hole in the universe where Ulrich used to be. Why won't the train just let me put him back?
I'm really sorry about your husband, Amelia. I don't know what it's like to lose someone you love. I'll travel with you and help you get your number down.
Really?
But only because then you'll get off the train and I'll get to stay with, lack of a better name, Rowan.
Yes! Once my number gets to 0, we're all leaving anyway.
What?
Well, what?
I didn't think... You want us to come with you? You want me to come with you?
Yeah, you're my friend.
What? Jesse! No. Oh. I said it. No, you didn't.
I didn't want the Apex, or you, to see me like this. Think less of me.
I'm always with you. We're a team. But what's with you? Every minute I'm in this cabin with the cat is like another weight pressing down on my chest. And you don't even seem to care. No. I saw it before you came in here. This is fake.
So my memories are real until you don't like them, then they're fake?
You're just using Amelia's lies to trick me. She was lying just like the cat lied to me. And you lied to me. Everyone lies to me!
We've been doing it wrong. We can still change.
Why would I ever want to change if I'm always right? And I know I should trust you, but the truth is, inside I don't. I'm just so tired of faking it.
I definitely wasn't trying to, leave you.